I welcome you back in One in All YouTube channel, day 19 of typing tutorial. Today I'll give you a first exercise on home row plus bottom row. First of all, you have to place your finger on the home row. Then your exercise is that you have to type X spacebar A spacebar Z spacebar S spacebar V spacebar D spacebar C spacebar F spacebar B spacebar G spacebar. On right hand, you have to type full stop spacebar semicolon spacebar forward slash spacebar L spacebar M spacebar K spacebar comma spacebar J spacebar N spacebar H spacebar. That's it. That's much. Thank you. Thank you so much.